Hello, you're welcome to Quiz Graphics tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can do a mock-up, billboard mock-up with your designs. Depending on the size of your designs, you can actually do a lot of mock-ups that are presentable, that are top-notch, with just your smartphone, with Pixellab actually. And that's what I'm going to show you today. You can do mock-ups with billboards, square billboards, rectangular billboards, whether vertical or horizontal billboards. You can do good mockups with them depending on the size of your design. You need to take note of that. So for today, the one I'm going to do is a squared design, and I've gotten a squared mockup too. All right, so before we go deep into the video today, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that right now. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever new videos are uploaded. We upload videos every week, every Friday by 10 a.m. Thank you very much. All right, we are going to go straight to the video for today. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring in that billboard that I've already downloaded. All right, it's free. There are many of them. You can source online. You can go to freepik.com, search for squared billboard, or anywhere online, image stock sites. You can just search for square billboards, and all right, so any of them you search for will be given to you and can just download for free. All right, how to place your design is actually what this video is all about. So to load my billboard that I've downloaded already, just click on the background editing tool, and then from gallery I'm going to choose from gallery right away. So I think it should be somewhere here. All right, so this is it. So I'm going to use this rectangular billboard. Okay, so it's squared already. So I'm going to click OK. All right, you can see this billboard. All right, it said place your design here. Place your design here. So this way I'm going to place your design. How do you place your design? How will you place that design for it to become like this? This is what I'm going to show you. Whether it's a billboard on a van, it can also be done using this technique. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring a flyer design I've made for a client, and I'm going to place it here, and you just give this one as a bonus. All right, so if you can see this is actually supposed to be a PSD mockup. This is actually a PSD mockup, which you may need to use Photoshop to edit, or some other site to edit actually, but we're going to use Pixellab to do it. Okay, so it's very simple, and this is what we are going to do now. So just click the plus sign up here. I don't know whether you are new. Just click the plus sign. So you're going to click from gallery. You will see from gallery here. Click from gallery, and then you are going to bring that particular design. So I'm going to go to my gallery, Pixellab, and then I'm going to bring a design. Let me go with this. All right, so this is the design I want to use. This is squared already. You can just click this ratio 1:1 so that you will be sure it's squared. Click OK. So this is my design, and I want to place it here. So first of all, what I'll do, I will make sure I reduce the size to fit in with the length of the highest side of the mockup. So I'll just increase and reduce. So I'll make sure, look at what I'm doing here. So I'm trying to get the edge from here, and also to be sure that it's the same with the one below. So that's just what I'm trying to do. So I'll place it here just to scale it. Okay, so this is what we have. All right, so I'm going to place it right there. It's still a little bit more than so let me just reduce again. All right, I think this is okay. I'm going to place it inside. I'm going to blend it with this, and this is how I'm going to do it. So click this object, and then click object editing tool here. You can see where my hand is touching. Go to perspective, click perspective, enable it. So you are going to move these edges to the edges of those of those points on the billboard. You get what I'm trying to say? You just make sure you hit the edges, and for you to do that, you may need to zoom out. So if you zoom, hit the plus sign so that you activate it. So I'm going to make sure this is just placed right here. All right, so I'm I'm going down, so hit the plus sign, go down, hit it again, and place this right here. Okay, hit it again and check this other side here, so that hit it before you touch it, so that you place it very well. Hit it again, check the one below. I think it's placed all right now, so just go back. Let's see what we have. So hit OK, and this is what you have. So if it's not placed very well, if you still need to touch it, like we need to touch it from the end here, the way I'm seeing it, we need to touch it from this side. We need to touch it from this side. So we are going to zoom it out again and go back to the perspective, and just to shift it in a little so that there'll be some freedom there. All right, you can see how it is placed on it, so you can play over it and play with some other designs and sizes of mockups that you can find out there. Okay, so this is how to place designs on mockups. You can see how it is.